I bet you're thinking, what do you know about spring trends for teens? Well, I know a little bit because I'm a stylist and I style things for teens. However, I decided to help you out. I have a special treat. I brought in an expert. Aspen! For those of you guys who don't know me or follow me, this is my daughter, Aspen. Aspen's the expert, the true expert, because she's actually wearing the pieces. She's gonna show you her favorites today and how she styles them. She styled them, not me.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Welcome back to Secrets of Style. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Aspen, and this is Kim. I'm her daughter. She's the celebrity stylist.
Hi guys, good intro, Aspen. She's heard my intro enough times and I think she can do it. Today we're talking about spring fashion for teens. She's a teen.
So one of the spring trends is pastel.
I love the pastel trend. So Aspen actually was into it and then we went to go search for pastels and she found this shirt and loved it. And I think it actually looked really nice on her. So she is styled it with just a pair of light jeans and runners. And something that you might want to know, you might not know intuitively, is often pastels and whites and light colors for spring and summer look better with lighter denim. If you're searching for some denim, you might want to keep it light for spring and summer, right?
Yep. I really like this shirt because it's not too girly.
Doesn't want anything like super femme. Yeah, anyway, I think it looks great on you, Aspen, and it was a great choice, and she styled it well. So let's head over to teen trend.
Next trend.
Over there. Are you rolling? Okay, so trend number 2, the Windbreaker. Aspen rolled in and found this. It's actually by a brand called Zine, and we'll leave a link for that down below. But she found this one and loved it.
So this Windbreaker is pastel. Pastel is very trendy for spring, so that's a bonus. And I didn't pair it with light jeans because it didn't look quite...
It just looked too light, the whole thing.
Because light. And we put checkered Vans with this outfit.
Yeah, Aspen did actually. And so here's the thing, Aspen actually is really intuitive when it comes to getting dressed and styling. She doesn't always know why it doesn't look good, which is actually a lot like a lot of you out there. She put on the light jeans and was like, ew, this doesn't look good. Same thing you guys do. Then she put on the black leggings, the more edgy Vans, and it balanced out the light, kind of lightness of the Windbreaker. So there you go, without knowing why, she just redid the outfit and looks fantastic. So Windbreakers for teens, and if you're buying a gift, fantastic thing to have, and they're pretty cool.
Trend number 3 is red.
Huge for teens this spring. Red, easy for her to wear. She loves it. We were in Sport Check and Aspen was like, oh, it's a Windbreaker and it's red.
This is more of like a sporty Windbreaker.
It's a sporty Windbreaker. It's by Nike and she just threw it on with her leggings, kept the same checkered Vans on. It's a great look. And again, for you teens that actually don't want to wear jackets or something like that, it's a great look and it's functional, this jacket.
And plus, it's got a package. I mean, wait.
It does have a package.
But it's not called a package, it's called a pocket.
Yeah, it's a pocket. And it has a pocket.
A pouch. A pouch.
Okay, on to the next trend.
Trend number 4.
4.
Quattro. Is Adidas.
Is the trend, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we put this with black leggings, same shoes, checkered Vans, just keeping it simple, black and white.
And so for the other teens that are watching out there, this shirt, which is awesome by the way, would you wear it with jeans too? Throw it on with jeans? Or just leggings?
Just leggings. I feel it's very sporty.
Okay, I love it. I think, so Adidas, as you guys know, those brands out there are huge. This is a super cute shirt and we love it. We'll put a link to that down below too. So you can style it if you're a teen with your jean shorts, jeans. She says no jeans, but I think you can do jeans. And leggings, shorts. And she says no.
Actually, maybe.
And
Try
for those
out.
of you guys who are moms out there and you want to know like what's happening, that's happening, and you can buy it as a gift for your teen. We are on trend number
Cincos.
5.
Cinco?
5.
Cinco.
Cinco. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This trend for teens, spring trend, is
Camo.
camo. So
We have put this with black slide-on shoes and camo sweatpants and
just a plain white tee.
Plain
Yeah.
white tee.
This white tee is from Nordstrom. I've talked about it a few times. Their basic tees are amazing. They're super economical. I think it's between $25 and $30, under $30 for sure. And I bought Aspen and myself a bunch of them. So
And we can also style it with a
jean
jean
jacket.
jacket from the Gap. So you can roll it or you can not roll it. Whatever you
And I
prefer.
feel like if you're a teen and you're interested in camo, sweats are a fantastic way to go. We went and looked at a bunch of different camo stuff. And those pants, there's a couple pairs of pants that were trendy, were massive on her.
Like pink camo?
Not your style, but also trendy. So if you guys are out there and you're a little more feminine and maybe you want the pink camo, you can go with pink or purple. I think it looks cool. All right,
Next trend.
next trend.
Okay.
Okay, trend number
Frick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
6. Trend number 6. The hoodie. If you have a teen or you are a teen, chances are you're living in a hoodie.
I have a lot of hoodies. This is just one of many. And I styled it with the same camo pants and black slide-on shoes.
And it's so cute, actually. So Santa Cruz is a really popular brand right now. It's got a little bit of that 80s, 90s theme going on. It's bringing in the neon. It's fun. Show them the back. So it's cute. So anyway, this is one of Aspen's favorites, and I actually really like it too. And if you're a teen, chances are you want to be comfortable. And this is a great thing for you. And you wear it with leggings all the time too, right?
All the time.
Yep.
And jeans.
There you go. Trend number 6, hoodies. Okay, so we are on trend number
7.
7. It's the athleisure trend, which is still there for spring teens. And so these are huge. Aspen loves these, and most of the teens do. They're all wearing them.
So these are the legging versions of the track pants.
And these guys are all wearing leggings. So I think it's just, more of the same. But anyway,
And we put it with a black
crop top.
top, long sleeve.
It's cute. And the
Wait.
crop top's just from Garage. Again, it was like under $20. And Vans.
Vans.
Love it. Okay, last trend.
Trend number 8. Bonus round.
Bonus round.
Bonus round. Bonus! Yeah!
Aspen pulled this from my spring looks and decided she liked it. So apparently teen and regular spring looks are on
So
trend.
this is both camo and
the Windbreaker.
Windbreaker.
It is super cute, and again, I think this was under $100. It's from Dex, and I got it at Hudson's Bay. Looks great on her. She thinks she's gonna wear it. But anyway, just another trend, just another idea out there. If you guys are looking for clothes for your teens, or you are a teen and you're looking for clothes, this is cool.
Cool.
Okay. We just want to say thanks for tuning in. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you enjoyed seeing teen trends, remember to hit that subscribe button down below. You will see Aspen and I every second Saturday. See you next Saturday.
No.
Well, I'll see them next Saturday. I'll see you every Saturday.
Sadly. Bye.
Why don't you introduce yourself to everyone? What do you have to say about spring trends?
I don't know. Mama.
Why don't you introduce yourself?
What do you
to
want?
everyone? Okay, I'm gonna get out of the scene and I'm gonna let Aspen take it away and tell you guys about teen spring trends.
Wait, you're not even standing here?
No. She had put it on with light jeans and it actually didn't look good. Okay. She wants to talk. I'm not letting her talk. All right. Okay. Cut.